After attending the workshop, this gentleman came to me and said, "Sir, can I spend 10 minutes with you?" It was second day of the workshop. It was year 2014, and I remember the venue was Hyderabad. I said, "Why not?" We had discussed about 9 to 10 strategies in the 2 days workshop. So this gentleman opened his laptop and showed me that okay, he had already a very decent collection of different option strategies, and I think there was around 23 option strategies for which all the break evens, all the calculations were already there with him. Then I asked him, "Dear sir, when you had all these things with already with you, why you have attended this workshop?" His reply shocked me like anything. That was a new learning for me also. He said, "I know all these strategies, but I am not able to make a single penny from stock markets." I said, "What is the reason?" And when he started explaining, it required a lot of time actually. Then I said, "Boss, I need to take my flight back home. So we need to discuss it in length. What to do?" He requested, "Can I come with you in your car and I will get at least 80 to 90 minutes with you?" I said, "Okay, join me in my car and we will discuss all these things en route to airport." After discussing with him, what I realized, he was having a very static frame of mind regarding any option trading strategy. He had a good knowledge about different option trading strategies, but then he was having a view that okay, this strategy can be done only by these kind of, and that was one thing which was blocking his thought process. I said it is not like that. Every strategy has different faces. A same strategy can be done by a working professional where he may not require to do much adjustments. A same strategy can be done by a full-time trader where he is sitting in front of the screen and changing the things. A same strategy can be done by a intraday trader also, but only thing is you need to change the dynamics of the strategy. None of the option trading strategies are static. The way you create it makes lot of difference in how the strategy will behave. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and this is your friend Pradeep Singla. Today I am going to show you a strategy which can work differently for different people. One is a full-time trader, one is maybe an intraday trader, and one is working professional. You can join our WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. So I said today let me show you different variants of a strategy. In our past videos we have seen a lot of ratio spreads, we have seen call ratio spreads, we have seen put ratio spreads. Today what I am going to do, I am going to combine both. I am going to create a call ratio spread as well as a put ratio spread, and in the payoff diagram you will see it looks like a Batman. Very popularly it is known as a Batman. Do click the like button because your like button is the most encouraging thing we get, and we value each and every precious like. So please click on the like button and let us start. Now even for Batman there can be at least 7 to 8 versions, but I am going to show you two things that okay, one of the Batman trades can be suitable for working professionals, another Batman trade can be suitable for full-time traders who can do the adjustments. So in this way we will see a single strategy can work in different ways. It can serve different purposes also. The way we execute it defines what is the purpose this strategy is trying to achieve. So let us go to Opstra now. Let us see, I am on 1st December. So I go to option chain and first I'll create a strategy Batman. This Batman strategy I'm doing as 1:2 ratio spread. This will require around 2 lakh rupees. So let's say I create this strategy and I start with something like 26,900, which is 27 delta. I buy one at 114 and I will sell two, which are almost 50% of that, maybe 27,100. I'm selling 2 lots of this. Similarly, I'll go on put side. I buy 126,100 put and I will sell 2 lots of 25,800 put. Right. Now, what kind of structure will appear? This is a typical Batman structure. The range of this trade is very good, 25,400 to 27,300, almost 17,1800 points. So this is a very wide range option trading strategy. Now, here we need to see what we are trying to achieve. We can say that one of the probabilities that okay, market will remain in this line, which is horizontal line. So it is giving me around 3,500 rupees. So if I divide it by 2 lakh rupees, it can give me around 1.7, maybe after charges around 1.5% return. And I'm a very conservative trader. So I am okay with 1.5 to 2% return on a monthly basis. Now, obviously, this is one way of doing this strategy. If I am, let us say, a working professional, I am not very happy with this kind of a range of the market. So can I increase my range without affecting too much of my profit possibilities? So what I can do is I will shift this put from 26,100, maybe I will go to 25,800, and I'll shift this put from 25,800 to maybe 25,600. See what will happen now. Now my break-even points are, you can say, almost 2000 points, more than 2000 points. Earlier it were 1800 points, and in the middle I still have 4372. I still have 4372, which was earlier 3500 rupees. I am saying I am still more conservative. Can I shift it further? So what I can do, I can shift my put further to 25,700 and these to 25,400. See what is happening. Now here my credit has reduced a bit, only 2,700, which is still, which can give me still 1.3 to 1.4%. But see the range, 25,000 to 27,300. So now this trade is safe for me for 2,300 points compared to my previous trade, which was safe to me for 1,800 points. So 500 points extra weight, for which I have given up only, let us say, 500 rupees or 600 rupees in the trade. So hope I'm very clear. There are two different traders. One trader says, I'm a working professional, I cannot do many adjustments, so he will create a wide range trade, something what I have shown you on the screen. Same strategy, it is Batman only. There can be another person who says, I am very much sitting in front of the screen, I am a full-time trader, I will not create such a trade. I will create Batman only. But what kind of Batman I will create, that will be much thinner, and that can give me much better profit. So the same strategy can solve the purpose of both the traders. Now in this case, if we see this trade, whether it has panned out into a good trade or not, let us see. Now obviously this trade is basically for a person who is a working professional, who doesn't want to observe market, who doesn't want to follow markets at 300 400 point rise or fall. He doesn't want to do any adjustments. As per this point, he can make 2,711 rupees as a profit if market is range bound. Obviously, market goes here or here, it can be a very high profit also. Let us now quickly see, suppose for the whole month he has not done anything, what will happen to this trade? Let's see. So I'm quickly taking you to expiry. By 12th December itself, he is making this 2617, which is the major portion of it. So at this stage, he may decide that, okay, since I am not required to do much in this trade, let me close this trade and let me now open another trade, which can be for next month, right? Even if we see after that, what has happened to the trade, he is making even 3,200 rupees. Although this line was showing 27, 2,800, this keeps on changing based on what will happen to the volatility. So he is still making 3,200 rupees, which is very well around 1.5% of the margin used without doing any adjustment. The trade setup was so well that, okay, he is not required to do any adjustment, and his expectations are also very rational. So let us go and see how this trade pans out till end. 4616, although the market is still within that green horizontal line. Next, as we come closer to expiry, obviously the trade will start giving me that 2,700 rupees only, which was initially shown by the payoff diagram. This was more suitable to a working professional. Now we will see how the same strategy can be done by a full-time trader in our part 2 of this video, and then we will see what are the adjustments possible. It is not that, okay, market cannot go beyond these two adjustment points. Market can go beyond these two break-even points also. Then what are the possible adjustments? We have seen a lot of ratio spreads and ratio spread adjustments. If you have not seen, please see that I'm giving you the link on the top right of this video. And similar adjustments can be applied to Batman strategy also. So, how can the same strategy be made less risky, less involvement, and still profitable? And how can the same strategy be made uh, more risky, more involvement, and obviously more profitable, and with knowledge of adjustments? That is the theme, and I will show you in the next video that how we can make it more profitable, but then obviously with slightly more risk. So that means then you need to be sitting in front of the screen and doing your adjustment as and when required. I'm not talking about intraday, I'm talking about maybe a positional trade wherein the adjustments will be required maybe once in 2 days, maybe once in 3 4 days, depending upon how the market is behaving. One very good strategy for working professionals and full-time professionals is iron butterfly. We are conducting an iron butterfly workshop on 26th of April. We will be talking about how to create the trade, what kind of trade we should be creating, then how to adjust the trade, and then after creating the framework, we will be backtesting it for 12 continuous months. That will give us an edge that okay, we know the theory, we also know the practical usage of the framework also. If you wish to enroll, please contact the numbers given on the screen. Our silver members qualify for 10% discount, and all our iron corner participants will get 25% discount. You can still become our silver member and enjoy videos on deeper topics about options trading. The tools and techniques shared with silver member videos can be really helpful, especially in case of bad markets. I am leaving you with another very interesting option trading strategy video. You will definitely like it. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it so far. See you in the next video. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.